How to add a color to hosting or website builder color palette. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a color to hosting or website builder color palette. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Hostinger, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Hostinger, it is a global web hosting provider that offers affordable and user-friendly solutions for individuals and small businesses and growing online brands, in which it provides a wide range of services including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, WordPress hosting, and domain registration, all designed to deliver fast performance and reliable uptime. And Hostinger is also known for its custom-built control panel. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click My Account button on the top right. Then you will automatically be directed on this page. And now from here, it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But to start adding a color in here, just go to the website section and click Edit Website to proceed. By clicking on it, the next thing that you need to do is to wait for it to load. Then you will be directed on this kind of website where you can start editing or adding the color palette by going on the left side panel. And in here, kind of go to this style section. Under styles, it will show you under the colors, font, buttons, and many more. But under colors, it will show you all of the color and also the number of elements that it has been used, including some of the context in here. But we're going to simply use or choose the different color to this fewer choices of color that has been used fewer times, such as 3 times and many more. So from here, I'm just going to simply choose here the color palette. Upon choosing here, let's say this one, you could also choose how bright the color is and it will automatically show you the result. Moving on, aside from this, you could also start deciding to change the color by simply clicking the background on any of the section that you want. All you need to do is simply go to the section in here, for example, and click the background and choose color. And then proceed by doing the same process of selecting the color. And after that, it will show you the result in here. As you can see, this result is very quickly in real time. So all you need to do is simply do the same process on any of these colors that you want and choose on the color palette right here. Or alternatively, if you also want to search for a specific kind of color, you could also search on Google in here, a hex color. And from here, it will show you a variety of choices of code to choose from. All you need to do is simply navigate to change it. So for instance, this color right here. By copying the code, all you need to do is simply paste it directly in here. By pasting it, it will show you what kind of color it is. Then you should be able to see the result once done. So that's basically the other way on how you can start changing the color by simply searching under the hex color on Google, or simply searching here directly, or using the other platform. Now aside from the background color in any of these elements, you would also start customizing the element section of context. But before that, it is also important to understand the importance of changing the color scheme in a website in here, since it directly impacts user experience, brand's identity, and overall site effectiveness, in which colors helps establish visual consistency and reinforce branding, making the website more recognizable and professional. And a well-chosen color palette also improves readability and accessibility, ensuring the text and buttons are easy to see and interact with across different devices. So then here, aside from those background, let's start changing the elements, which is the context. All you need to do is simply highlight the context and choose the kind of color palette that you prefer. So as you can see, you could also do the same process by finding on Google or on this website color hex, and it will show you each color with the corresponding codes that you can simply copy and paste in our website editor. Such as this color, all you need to do is simply copy this code and go directly on Hostinger and paste under the style section the kind of color or any specific elements that you want to customize. Now upon pasting it directly in here, you should be able to see here the result, which should be this kind of color right here. Upon clicking accept, you should be able to see here that we have now successfully customized the color in here. So the ability to customize colors allows website owners to align the design with their brand goals while creating more appealing, trustworthy, and user-friendly website. So from here, if you're now done, you can click the save button on the top right corner or the go blog to start publishing it. But overall, that is just how you can add a color to Hostinger website builder color palette. Thank you.